And so we flipped this candle red, broke this uptrend. Might look for a possible short, but it is the first 5 minutes. Trying to look productive here. We got lots of sellers, a lot of downward pressure here. Came up, almost tested VWAP, and then we sold off. The buyers are trying to come in, but wow, look at that. Making a lower low here. ES is holding up a lot better than the NAS. It's kind of interesting, bit of a divergence. It's really volatile right now. VIX is up 2.53%, dollar is down 0.13, 10 years down 2%. That's pretty heavy delta selling there, getting bought back up. ES looking pretty strong this morning. So I don't know what to make of this move with the Nasdaq. So here's VWAP, bounce up. VWAP, goodness. So I didn't want to short it yet. It's way too volatile right now. Up here would have been possibly a good short. So this is a good delta buys here. 100% sure where we're going. All the way down, all the way back up. Goodness. What a swing. I don't know how people trade first 5 minutes. You have to be real quick. Real quick. Could be a good short up here, but I just don't like how strong this SPY up was. Bam, bam. We did lose this uptrend, but it's off of this level here. kind of get into this overnight zone there. Wait for this 5-minute to close. Pretty big 5-minute range there. We have a nice downtrend here formed. Uptrend technically is broken. A lot of back and forth right now. ES is now looking weaker. Makes me want to go in for a short. I'll wait for this 5-minute here. Delta's heavier. We can lower delta lows. Yeah, we're breaking down. Going to the lows from yesterday already. New 5-minute candle here. Stretching off value area low. Looking to go short, but just trying to wait for a good opportunity. Looking at a possible retest up here. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll just be patient. Be patient here. It looks like it's getting lower. There's some buyers trying to buy this up. We're making new lows. I'm gonna short it here. Waiting here. We just got a primary downtrend formed. Just want to play that downtrend before it gets back up. Looking pretty heavy so far though. Computer's kind of laggy, so Not sure what to make of it. Overnight lows here is destination. Overnight low is my profit target for this trade. I get a little bounce off of that. Trying to be patient on this trade. Could get a retest up here. Pretty heavy delta. Buyers are still here though, buying it up. New 5-minute candle forming here. Just barely. Almost getting out here. Come on. Just barely. You gotta be kidding. Here we go. One trade, 470 on the table. Really like it. Tested my patience here, especially when this candle just barely came down on it. Hit the overnight low, getting a nice buy up here. Buyers coming in. Don't know if it's meaningful to allow this to go up more. One trade, 470. Not a bad trade. See if we can get a meaningful buy up from this though. Here's the retest of this trend line. Would have been a good area to short there. Point of control shifted down here. Looks like we're losing it. Looks like some sellers are coming in there. Made a lower low. Would have been a good short up there. Just totally missed it though, that's all. We're making higher highs here, so we could make another higher high. 5-minute opening range is all the way up here. Pretty big cross down here. We made a lower low, lower high. Could assume this was a dead cat. We're going to continue lower. Almost seems like we stalled out a bit here. The 9 is all the way up here, so a reversion back up might happen. So I'm not inclined to short it right now. Pretty strong move downwards though. Buyers coming in. Buyer point of control. Goodness. It's a nice buy up there. Nice rejection off point of control. It wasn't a really nice buy up, but it totally failed. Would have been a good short if you put your short there. That looked really strong to me. I didn't want to risk going in. Buyers coming back in. Like buyers are getting a little stronger. Yes, looking a lot better than the NAS. Might have a reversal here. I don't know if I want to go counter trend though. So I don't want to go counter trend. It's looking pretty strong here though. Nasdaq didn't have a green candle yet, but the ES did. Good rejections. So I didn't want to go against the trend here. We're into value. We might go to point of control here from Friday. 11,600. It's pretty heavy deltas. Nice volume shelf came in here. We held this short. Would have been a good hold. Or would have maybe gotten stopped out though. Now the ES has that rotation back down. Made a lower low. Because this was a perfect double bottom that was going to get ran, so it made sense. Not sure if the selling has stopped. Be patient. Wanted to short this, but I'm really hesitant. We've been selling off for quite a while. That's good sign of us resuming downwards. Saved it. Just watch what happens here. Should have maybe shorted this right here. It's made a lower low. Breaking up this downtrend. Good buyers coming in. Breaking this downtrend now. Well, see how that valley area shifted. So bias is to the downside. Point control shifted down here. I'm gonna wait for this trend line to break. Just waiting here, being patient. I went short here, trend line break. In a value area low. Waiting to get filled here would be nice. Looks like it almost wants it. Come on. Right before it. This is just going to be the trend, huh? And we're filled. Perfect. 2 trades. 870. Both winning trades. Went off of the trend line break here. I got out at value area low because there's no way to know if we'd bounce from there. Delta didn't look like it was as heavy. Right. We lost his primary. Looks like we're doing something like this now. Point of control was a good short. But you never know. You never know what's going to happen. The primary trend. So Delta's not making a lower low. Just something to note. So this was a move up, leg down, probably a leg up, and then another leg down. Delta's not really moving too much. Makes me wonder if I just held this much longer, but we didn't know. This was the overnight low, so came up, retest of overnight low, failed it. That's pretty interesting. Minute left on this 30-minute candle. 5 minutes can close out to nice bump and then selling off again. Nasdaq is down almost 30%. Yes, 1.5%. Could have been a bit early on the short, especially since this candle's going to close out here on the 30-minute. Don't really like this trade. I'm gonna get out. A little scalp there. Just felt like I was in a really bad area. We could come back up and retest these areas here. That's why I got out. 1,030 on the day. Nothing to complain about though. Played this trend pretty well. Could have held these longer, but my reasons to get out was pretty sound. Overnight low, belly area low. So 1,030 on the table. Pretty happy with that. Don't think I'm gonna be trading any more than that. 1,030 within 30 minutes with the market open. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. 3 trades, all winning. Just what I wanted to see. Nice break on this low from yesterday. We played that. We went up, broke this uptrend. Also lost valley area, point of control, and low from the overnight. We played that. Then little scalp here on the breakdown. I thought that this 30-minute would probably come up and test up here somewhere, maybe back to point of control. But it doesn't look like it's doing that so far. There's still 28 minutes left on this candle, so anything can happen. But if you guys are continuing to trade, be patient out there, manage your risk, and I hope you have a profitable day. Until next time, or the next video.